Photoshop Blending Tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, we'll be taking this castle picture and blending it with this cloud picture. Step 1, the Move tool. Click on the Move tool at the top of the toolbar. Click anywhere inside of the castle picture. Click, hold down with your mouse, and drag to the clouds picture. Unclick, and your castle's right on top. Step 2, the Quick Selection tool. Click on the Quick Selection tool. It looks like a brush. The brackets on your keyboard next to the P on your keyboard will make your brush larger and smaller. You can get it the right size. Click in the center of the castle and drag towards the edge. The computer automatically tries to select the castle as you click and drag towards the edge. Step 3, Refine Edge. Go to Select on the menu bar, down to Refine Edge. Move the feather slider up so that the outside edges of the castle are a little bit feathered. This will make it look more natural when blending with the clouds. Click OK. Step 4, Layer Mask. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click on the Layer Mask button. Now everything else in the castle picture is hidden except for the castle that you had selected with the Quick Selection tool. Step 5, Free Transform. Go to Edit on the menu bar, down to Free Transform. Hold down Shift on your keyboard so that it doesn't mess with the proportions, and drag a corner. Now you can make the castle larger or smaller and position it exactly where you want in the clouds. Click the check mark on the options bar to set down the transformation. Step 6, the Brush tool. Click on the Brush tool on the toolbar. Make sure that you're still on the Layer Mask in your Layers panel. The brackets on the keyboard, change the brush size. Make sure your hardness is at 0% so that you can keep the feather. 100% makes it too hard and you won't have that nice feather look. The white foreground color will allow you to brush and add some of your castle back in. The black is the foreground color. Will bring the clouds in and allow you to cover up the castle. So you can go back and forth between the two colors and add and subtract from the castle. And this is just on the layer mask, so you can keep bringing it in and out as much as you want. It's not erasing the castle, it's covering it up with a mask. So you can cover up the castle and have the clouds showing in front of the castle. So it makes it look like it's really in there in the middle of the clouds. Step 7, Match Color. In order to make the castle look like it really fits in with the clouds, we need to change the color scheme so that it fits in with the blues of the clouds. Right now the castle's really yellow. So first click on the castle in the Layers panel, not the layer mask. Click on the actual castle picture. Then go to Image on the menu bar, Adjustments, Match Color. On the source, we're going to choose the clouds picture, and on the layers, it's going to be the background. Move the fade slider to bring back the castle's original color. You can adjust it so it's not too intense. When it looks good, matching the clouds, click OK. Step 8, Drop Shadow. To complete the castle in the clouds, we're going to add a little shadow at the bottom of the castle where the clouds and the castle meet. Go to Layer on the menu bar, Layer Style, Drop Shadow. You can change the angle of the drop shadow and the size and the opacity to be just the right shadow that you need. When you've fixed all the drop shadow settings how you want, click OK. And this is our completed picture of our castle in the clouds.